Take a ride in the 2008 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, navigation system, CD changer, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.